Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off highlights on Facebook. So let's start the video. First you have to open the Facebook app, then navigate to the menu bar. Now scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Once you are on the Settings menu, scroll down and under Notifications, click on the Group option. Now you have to choose the group you want to turn off the highlight option. Select it and now you can see the highlight option here. Now all you have to do is simply turn off the highlights option. Turn it off and here you go. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I will catch you on the next one. So that's it. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.